In this video, I will show you how to dropship from Temu. So I'll show you literally every single step that you need to take from picking the products to importing them onto your store, how the order fulfillment works. I'll show you literally everything you need to know. So first, go ahead and open up Temu. Then what you want to do is just go to the best sellers, at least that is what I do. And then here from the list of best sellers, just find a product that you think will do good on your dropshipping store. So a product that I, for example, think will do good is this one right here. So let's say that I would like to sell this product. You can see it's €13.87. Now after I have selected a product, what I'm going to do is open up Shopify. So I recommend using Shopify because in my opinion it's the best e-commerce platform out there. I'll leave a link down in the description that you can use to get a 3-day free trial in your first month for only $1. So it's really cheap to just try out. Then after you create your Shopify account, which will only take about a minute, go and click on apps right here and then click all recommended apps. Now open up the Shopify app store and here search for Temu dropshipping. Now the tool that I recommend right here is called Zopi. Even though it says AliExpress dropshipping right here, they also do Temu, and that's what we want to do. You can see they have 4.8 stars with over 2,000 reviews. So go and click on install right here and then go and click install again. And then you have installed the Zopi dropshipping app. Now you can see they have a completely free plan that you can just use. And what's so good about Zopi is that they also do the order processing. So you don't need to go and manually order the products from Temu. You can just do that automatically. So you get 5 orders per month for free, and if you need more then you need to upgrade to one of their paid plans. And for example in the basic one here you already get 100 orders per month and 15 shipments per month for order tracking, and you also get price and stock tracking, and you can import 150 products. So you can just start out for free and then you can import 10 products and do 5 orders. However, if you want some of these more premium options, then you can even upgrade to the premium plan where you will get basically everything you need, such as 500 shipments tracked per month, etc. But this is really for when you are more advanced. You can just choose for free right now and you can always upgrade later. So I'll click choose this plan on the free one. And now what we are going to do is just close this, then here choose your language. For me it's English. And now what you want to go ahead and do is click on product center right here, and then in the top right click on add product and then by source URL. So you can see here you need to input a URL product from AliExpress, Temu or CJ dropshipping. Now we want to use Temu, so go and copy this link right here. Now you can see that for me this is in the Netherlands, so if you want to dropship somewhere else, then you can here click in the top right on the flag and then click change country or region. Now let's say that I want to dropship in the United States, then you want to make sure that it's set to United States right here. So make sure in the top right it says the country, so where you want to dropship. Now in order to use Zopi for Temu, so then after you have added the extension, click on the Zopi dropshipping section, and now here you will see this. So new product source coming to Zopi. Zopi now supports Temu source, so if you click explore now right here, you can see that you need to install an extension in order to import from Temu. So click install extension and then you need to go and install this extension right here. So then after you have installed that extension, here on the Temu product page in the bottom you will see add to import list. So click on add to import list right here, and then here in the top right you will see something like this. So click login, then here click on get started, and now it will open up Shopify again and just click open app right there. And you can see there's one more step. You need to first log in to Temu before importing, so you need to make sure you have a Temu account, and this is really simple to do, so just click sign in or register right there. So now when we click add to import list, it will say please verify with Temu before importing the product. So if you click verify right here, you need to do a security verification, and now when we click add to import list again, you will see that now it has been imported successfully. So now if we go back to my store here and then go and refresh this page, then click apps and go to Zopi again. Now if you head over to the product center, you will now see the product right here. So you will see supplier Temu and it costs €6.50, and then here you will already have a selling price. But now what we can do is click apply AI, and now in order to do this you will need to upgrade to one of their paid plans, but then you can actually use AI to improve the product listing. However, you can also do this yourself by just clicking on the product. Now you can change the title, you can change what images you want there to be right here, you can change the variance and the selling price as well right there, and of course you can go and change the description. So then after you're happy with how it looks, just click on push to store and then again click push to store. Now when we head over to the product section and refresh it, you will now see the product right here. So let's click preview. Now you can see we have this product, and now this doesn't look very good because I didn't customize it, but you want to go and customize customize the title, etc. And now people can just select their color, their item, and click add to cart or buy it now. And then after you have set up payments, they can actually go and purchase it. And then what happens once they purchase it, if I open up Zopi Dropshipping here, you can then see it in Order Center, and then here you will see all of your orders. Now basically, once you get an order right here, Zopi will take care of the order fulfillment up to a certain amount of orders. So you can see that right here. In the starter plan, for example, you get 50 orders per month, then here basic 100, and it goes up to unlimited, and in the free plan you will get 5. So basically, the more orders you will get, the higher of a plan you will need in order to get the orders processed automatically. So just add as many of these products to your store as you want. You can just go to Product Center, then click add product. You can just go to Temu, then just find a product. So if I go back here, you will see that when I hover over any of these products with my mouse, I get the option to click add to import list, and when I click on that, it will then be imported, and then you can again find it right here in your product center. So this is the product, and then you can edit it, and then here you can also click push to store, and then click push to store, and now we have also added this product to our store. So now once you get an order, Zopi will do the order fulfillment. So it's a pretty easy process to do. And when you go to settings and billing here and then click billing, you will here see how much you have used. So in terms of imported and mapped products, I've used 1 of 10. Then order tracking, I have done 0. Orders processed, 0 out of 5. So you can basically see how much you have left in your current plan. So now you know how to dropship from Temu. Again, I'll leave a link down in the description that you can use to claim a 3-day free trial in your first month for only $1 for Shopify. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.